If you use a lot of masks in Darktable, sooner or later you're going to run into a problem. Chaos. Yeah, this is especially true if you want to reuse masks in different modules, and your list of masks looks something like this. Then you will be scratching your head thinking, what the heck? Which one of these do I need again? If you don't want to waste time clicking each item in the list to figure it out, here's an old farmer's trick that will make your life easier. Use the Mask Manager. The Mask Manager gives you the option to rename your drawn masks, which is very useful if you know you're going to be using the same mask in different modules. For example, in this photo, I want to apply the contrast equalizer and the diffuser sharpen module to the same area of the bird. So, in the contrast equalizer module, under the drawn mask options, I'll select the brush tool and draw a mask on the area that I want to sharpen, and then I'll adjust the contrast equalizer. The mask will appear in the Mask Manager in the general list and also as part of a group. You can also create masks directly in the Mask Manager using the different masking tools available here. And in that case, the mask won't be associated with any module at first. It will only become part of a group once you add it to the module. Anyway, in the Mask Manager, to help me remember which mask to use, I'll double-click over the mask to rename it. I suggest keeping the type of shape in the name since the extra information can also be helpful when searching for a specific mask. So I'll rename it to Brush Bird in Focus. Now, I can open the Diffuse or Sharpen module and, under the Drawn Mask options, easily find this specific mask in the list of existing masks. I'll select it and then add a further sharpening effect with the Diffuser Sharpen module. After adding the mask to a module, you can fine-tune the effect of the mask in the Mask Refinement section. Because I like to see the sharpening fall off towards the edges, I'll add a bit of feathering. Once your editing starts to become complex with lots of modules and drawn masks, this list will grow, and you will thank yourself for keeping tabs on the drawn masks you created. That's it. I hope this video helped you keep your drawn masks more organized and find them more easily. But if not, select your masks with eeny, meeny, miny, mo.